Here's a 5-star dinner that can be on the table in less than 30 minutes.
Perfectly baked salmon with a classic teriyaki sauce.
Made even better with some toasted sesame seeds and chopped scallions. Folks, after one bite, your guests are gonna say,
What? This only took 30 minutes.
what? That is what they're gonna say. They're gonna be stunned. And you will be too, because it's so delicious and
It is great.
and it comes together so
much.
fast. So it's about time we do one of these fast and easy weeknight dinners, right? But it's so good, it's great for serving guests.
We've been doing 3-day pizza
Extravaganzas, I know. Okay, so let's just talk about salmon first. This recipe, the way it's written, feeds easily 4 people. We're just doing it just for 2 of us. So the sauce will cover easily 4 of these fillets. This is center cut salmon. They went ahead and had the skin removed. It was already removed, but you can leave the skin on. It's still delicious. These are about 6 ounces each. You're going to probably want 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of salmon, depending on how large you like your fillets. Okay, let's make some teriyaki sauce.
This is great, and it's so easy. So I've got a 1/2 cup of soy.
And while he's doing that, I'm going to add just a little bit of fresh brown ground pepper to my tops of my fillets.
No salt, because this got plenty of salt in the soy.
Speaking of which, if you're on, he said soy sauce, you can use the low sodium if you're trying to watch your sodium.
Yes. And then I've got a 1/4 cup of mirin.
That sweet Japanese cooking wine is so good. You can get that in the Asian department section of most supermarkets.
He's got a cold. He's got a nice summer cold.
I got a cold in my nose.
And then we've got a 1/2 cup of chicken stock or seafood stock if you want to keep it more seafoody. And then a teaspoon of sesame oil. I love sesame
There's your flavor
oil.
boost.
And I've got some ginger. I've got 2 tablespoons of ginger.
Fresh is definitely best for here. The smell is ridiculous.
So good. And then I've got some garlic. I've got 2 tablespoons of garlic. And I'm just going to give these a quick mix together.
Whisking, you're going to whisk your troubles away.
Yes.
So this, teriyaki, we've all had teriyaki. What I love about it is, and so often in Asian cooking, it's got the sweet and it's got the savory. The mirin is definitely a sweet wine, so that's where we're going to get the sweetness. So now, this, we're going to let it marinate. It's seafood and it's salmon, so it doesn't take long at all. So we're going to
like 20 minutes or something.
Yeah,
okay.
I mean, even you could, if you're in a rush for time, you could do it in 15 minutes while you're heating up your oven. So I'm just pouring this over there because it just soaks up that flavor. Let's just let it get underneath there. It's so simple. It's just, I'm all for simple as long as it's delicious.
Me too. Now, see, when I go to a restaurant, I don't look for the salmon. I know there are a lot of people who are like, oh, I'm going to have the salmon. I'm not a huge salmon lover, but this is ridiculous. Like, I ate 2 fillets the other night.
He did. I was there, and one of them was mine. Okay, so put this in the refrigerator for like 15 minutes. I've already got my oven preheating, and then we're going to come back, and while it's baking for a short amount of time, we're going to make the teriyaki sauce.
Yes.
Okay, moving right along.
I got these guys nice and chilled.
Soaking up that yumminess. Those look great.
I'm going to spray this real quick so we know that they don't stick. We're going to bake it on here.
So this is we just got our baking sheet. We lined this with foil. You don't have to do this, but as it bakes, it does get kind of sticky and it likes to stick to the pan. It just makes cleanup so much easier.
Yes.
So I've got a medium skillet over here over medium heat. I said we were going to make the teriyaki sauce. We're just going to kind of thicken it up a little bit and make it like a glaze. Yeah.
Do you want this in there?
Yeah, and that is perfectly fine because we are going to cook it, so it's going to just add it to the mix.
Wonderful.
Fabulous.
All right.
Okay, so now the way we're going to kind of make this kind of glossy and a little thickened is we're going to make a cornstarch slurry. So I've got a tablespoon of cornstarch and I've got a tablespoon plus about another teaspoon of water. And I usually like to have a little extra with me just in case.
You always like to do a cornstarch slurry.
I do like a cornstarch slurry.
She's hot. She's going hot.
Cheers. Let me turn that down. Okay. All right. So that is good. So what this does is it sort of acts as a roux.
A thickener.
A thickener. And it's very common in Asian cooking. I love it. And the smell is, so good. All right, you can go ahead and put those in, I think.
Oh, don't I have to put some of that on top of it?
Oh, no, we've already done that.
Oh.
That's what we're going to, excuse me, soak it in this
okay.
when we're done.
Oh,
And that's
all right.
only about
I was
12 minutes.
waiting for you.
No, I'm coughing up a storm over here. You see, this is already thickening, so it's beautiful.
Oh, Lord. All right.
And you can do this in advance.
How long does this stay in here?
I mean, literally, like, it depends on how thick your fillets are, but 12 to 14, 15 minutes. Okay, we are moving along. So now look at this sauce. Isn't that beautiful?
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Glossy. So what you're going to do is
tasty.
when you're moving around in your skillet with your wooden spoon or your spatula, once you see it start to kind of just make a wake, you
Like
know,
a path.
in the skillet, you're done. And then I just transfer it to a bowl because you want to spoon this over your salmon and then have some for the table. Okay.
All right, come on, get that salmon.
All right, this has only been going, again, it depends on the thickness of your
Oh, that
fillets.
looks wonderful.
Don't these look- you can just tell by the sides are nice and white. There's a firmness to it.
Translucent.
Yeah, it's translucent. And so which
You
one do
got
you
it.
want? I'm going to give you this nice, beautiful.
That one, be careful there. It's delicate.
So beautiful.
It's very delicate.
And all right,
Come
I'm
on
going to
in
do this
here.
on an angle like you like.
Yeah, there it is.
Beautiful. Well, let me transfer.
Lovely.
You guys, this is, and then we're putting this over a bed of just our easy steamed white rice.
Oh.
Any rice is a wonderful addition for this dish. We do it with some steamed vegetables.
Look at that, Chris.
I know. All right, now this is my favorite part. This is where the flavor goes off.
This is my favorite part.
And just you got to do this.
Yeah, don't. Yeah, there you. Oh, let's see if we can get a little drizzle on this side. Oh yeah. Okay.
This stuff is money, you guys. And you saw how easy it was. You can afford, of course, buy some pre-bottled, but why would you do that? This is so much easier and so much better. Okay.
Now, do you want to do this too?
Yes, I love decorating. Okay, I'll do a little sesame seed. Get some toasted sesame seeds.
Yes.
That really does add a little texture and flavor.
yeah.
And then some scallions.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Thank you.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, yours looks great too.
I'm so excited. This is all right. And I'm telling you, Wesley, it's got.
Oh, sure.
Wesley is. I'm gonna put a little more of this on there. I just love it. I feel like I was a little skimpy on mine.
I am gonna go for this. I want people to see this.
Nice and flaky.
Oh wow. That just. Oh, you guys. A little more there.
Oh, it's so flaky, so beautiful.
Okay, I'm dying.
Slightly pink is what you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
You ready?
I am born ready for this. I made this for him the other day, and
I don't know what the deal is.
he sometimes doesn't like salmon because he feels like it's too fishy.
Yeah. This is delicious. Oh
It's
wow.
amazing. It really is amazing, and it's not fishy tasting at all. A lot of that has to do when you're picking out your salmon. Again, we got center cut salmon, which is good quality salmon. It's not off the charts expensive. Just look, if it looks fresh, it doesn't have a weird smell to it, then you're probably good. You're definitely good. This is good.
This is amazing. This is 500,000% loon approved for fish.
The loon, you would think would be crazy for fish.
You guys.
Being a loon.
I can't believe this took 30 minutes or less.
Are you kidding me? You guys, this is so good. This is perfect for weeknight. It's perfect for entertaining. It's perfect if you're trying to watch away. It's perfect if you're starving for something delicious.
Yeah, but if you're watching your salt, be a little careful with the
You
old
can go low
teriyaki.
sodium. All right, bye everybody. We love you guys. Eat salmon and be happy.